Assalamu alaikum. I'm back with another beautiful baby dress tutorial. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to make a baby dress that both simple and stunning. So let's begin. For the dress, we will begin by taking 3 long strips of fabric. Each strip is 23-inch long and 3.5-inch wide. First, I folded the ends of the strip and stitched them. Then I added frills to the folded strips to give them a lovely structure. Now for the main part of the dress, the body pieces where we will attach the frill strips. I folded the lower edge of the body piece and stitched it for a neat finish. Next, I started attaching the frilled strips one by one. Leaving a 1-inch gap between each strips. All the strips are now attached. To make the dress even more gorgeous, I added white lace. If you prefer, you can use lace in any color of your choice. Next, I made a piping ribbon, divided it into 4 pieces, and attached them to the shoulders of the dress. After stitching the sides of the dress, the piece is complete. Isn't it adorable and gorgeous? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Stich Muse for more beautiful design like this. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.